Last year I watched a TED Talk by Dr. Michael Bruce, better known as a sleep doctor, where I learned about chronotype, your body's natural disposition to be awake or asleep at a certain time during the day. Your chronotype is closely related to your body's circadian rhythm, which controls the sleep-wake cycle and melatonin production. Our circadian rhythm is primarily influenced by light exposure. Our specific chronotype isn't influenced by anything other than our genetics. That's why it's important to work with your chronotype instead of against it if you want to be rested and as productive as possible. We all operate differently with different biological rhythms, different preferences, and different productivity styles. Knowing your chronotype helps you understand when you're most active and alert during the day so that you can schedule work around your productivity windows. There are 4 chronotypes that indicate a person's schedule according to their unique internal clocks. You can find out your own chronotype by taking the Power of When quiz. Once you've determined what your chronotype is, not only will you have a better understanding of when you're most productive, you'll also learn the most effective time to exercise, the best time to drink coffee and alcohol, and the ideal sleep schedule